Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner and healthy pa ito. Meron tayong ginisang ampalaya with fresh gulay and meron pa tayong sinikang na pig shrimp with fresh maraming gulay. Magluto tayo ng ating ginisang ampalaya. Magisa ng maraming sibuyas, kaunting bawang at maraming kamatis. Antayin lang nating lumabas ang aroma at i-add na natin ang ating fresh ampalaya. Mag-add tayo ng ating salt and pepper to taste and hot water. Napakasarap na nito guys. At pag naluto na, mag-add pa tayo ng ating magic sarap. Pag medyo malambot or luto na ang ating ampalaya, maganda ng ating fresh gulay. Napakayami talaga nito at ang bango pa guys. Mag-ready tayo ng lakayan. Ready to serve na ito at ito transfer natin ang ating masarap na ginisang ampalaya with fresh gulay. At meron pa tayong masarap na sinigang na pig shrimp with maraming gulay at may labanos pa ito. For hot drinks, gagawa tayo ng ating onion tea. Slice of onion, 5 parasong clove, ground pepper. Yan yung ating tea seed, konti lang ilalagay natin. And papakuloy lang natin ito at meron na tayong napakasarap na onion tea and healthy pa ito. Para sa ating sinikang na pig shrimp with maraming gulay, magpapakulo ng water, magad ng maraming sibuyas, loya, kamatis, kaunting bawang, magad pa tayo ng ating labanos. Papakulon lang natin ito guys hanggang maging yummy. Salt and pepper to taste and magic syrup. Mag-add tayo ng ating big shrimp. And for gulay, meron tayong okra and green leafy vegetable. Ready na ang ating food para sa ating masarap and very healthy dinner. Para sa ating main dish, meron tayo sa ating sinigang na big shrimp with maraming gulay. So, gustong gusto ko dito ang labanos guys para sa ating gulay. And meron pa tayong ginisang ampalaya with fresh egg. Napakasarap at ang bango din ng ating ginisang ampalaya. Meron pa tayong assorted fruits, fresh mango, orange, banana, avocado, and meron pa tayong cucumber. Hot drinks yung ating masarap and healthy onion tea. And cold drinks, meron tayong soft drinks and orange juice. And meron pa tayong yogurt. Let's enjoy the food. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. And you can also subscribe too. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Ingat po.